What if I told you that 13.8 billion years ago, the entire observable universe, with its trillions of galaxies, each containing billions of stars, was compressed into a point smaller than the head of a pin, and that, in a fraction of a second, this point exploded, creating not only all the matter and energy we know, but space and time themselves. Welcome back to Cosmic Frontiers. I am here to take you on the most incredible journey possible, the story of how everything we know came to exist. And I guarantee that by the end of this video, you'll never look at the night sky the same way again. The story of our universe begins with what we call the Big Bang. But here's the first thing that might surprise you. The Big Bang wasn't actually an explosion. It was the rapid expansion of space itself. Imagine a balloon being inflated at an unimaginable speed. That's closer to what really happened. 13.8 billion years ago, our universe was in a state so dense and hot that the laws of physics as we know them didn't even apply. The temperature was over 10 billion degrees Celsius. That's 600 times hotter than the core of the sun. At this moment, there were no atoms, no molecules, not even protons or neutrons. Just pure energy in its most fundamental form. But then something extraordinary happened. In the first fraction of a second, we're talking about 10 to the power of minus 32 seconds, the universe underwent what we call cosmic inflation. In this infinitesimal time, space expanded faster than the speed of light by a factor of at least 10 to the power of 26. To put this in perspective, it's like a grain of sand suddenly becoming larger than a soccer ball, but happening in a time so short that light couldn't even cross the width of a proton. This cosmic inflation explains one of the greatest mysteries of our universe, why it appears so uniform in all directions. Without inflation, different regions of the universe would never have had time to exchange information and reach thermal equilibrium. It's like having a perfectly mixed soup without ever having stirred it. After inflation, the universe continued to expand, but at a more reasonable pace. The temperature began to drop. And here's where things get really fascinating. In the first 3 minutes after the Big Bang, something magical happened. The first atomic nuclei formed. This process is called Big Bang nucleosynthesis, and it's one of the strongest pieces of evidence we have for the Big Bang theory. During these crucial minutes, protons and neutrons combined to form the nuclei of the lightest elements, hydrogen, helium, and small amounts of lithium. About 75% of normal matter became hydrogen, and 25% became helium. Proportions we still observe in the universe today. But here's something incredible. For the next 380,000 years, the universe was completely opaque. Light couldn't travel freely, because free electrons kept scattering photons. It was like being inside a dense fog. The universe was literally dark. Then came one of the most important moments in cosmic history, recombination. The universe had cooled enough for electrons to combine with atomic nuclei, forming the first complete atoms. Suddenly, light could travel freely through space. This moment is so significant that we can still observe it today. It's the cosmic microwave background radiation, the afterglow of the Big Bang that permeates the entire universe. But our story is just beginning. For millions of years after recombination, the universe entered what astronomers call the Dark Ages. There were no stars, no galaxies, just hydrogen and helium atoms floating in the darkness of space. The only light was the fading glow of the cosmic microwave background. However, gravity was working silently. Small density fluctuations, tiny imperfections in the distribution of matter, began to grow. These fluctuations, which we believe originated during cosmic inflation, were the seeds of all the structures we see in the universe today. Around 100 to 200 million years after the Big Bang, something spectacular happened. The first stars were born. These weren't stars like our sun. They were giants, with masses 100 to 1,000 times greater than our sun, and they burned incredibly hot and bright. These first stars were cosmic furnaces that began producing heavier elements through nuclear fusion. And here's where our story becomes deeply personal. When these first giant stars exhausted their nuclear fuel, they exploded as supernovas. scattering the heavy elements they had created throughout space. Carbon, oxygen, nitrogen, iron, all the elements essential for life, as we know it, were forged in the hearts of these ancient stars. Carl Sagan said it perfectly: we are made of star stuff. Every atom in your body, except hydrogen, was created inside a star that lived and died billions of years ago. The calcium in your bones, the iron in your blood, the oxygen you breathe, all of it is the legacy of stars that shone when the universe was young. As more generations of stars were born and died, the universe became enriched with heavy elements, galaxies formed, solar systems emerged, and on at least one small rocky planet orbiting an ordinary star in an unremarkable galaxy, something extraordinary happened. Life emerged. But perhaps the most mind-blowing aspect of this story is that we, as conscious beings, are the universe's way of understanding itself. We are literally the cosmos awakening to its own existence. Through science, through curiosity, through our desire to understand our origins, the universe is studying itself. Think about this for a moment. The atoms that make up your brain were forged in the nuclear furnaces of ancient stars. These same atoms are now organized in such a way that they can contemplate their own origin. You are not just in the universe, you are the universe, in the most literal sense possible. And this brings us to one of the most profound questions in science. Are we alone? In a universe with trillions of galaxies, each containing billions of stars, many with planetary systems, is it possible that Earth is the only place where the universe has awakened to consciousness? This is one of the great mysteries we continue to explore here at Cosmic Frontiers. Every discovery, every new observation, every mission to other worlds brings us closer to understanding our place in this cosmic story. The story of the universe's origin is also a story about the power of human curiosity and ingenuity. Everything I've told you today was discovered through careful observation, brilliant theoretical work, and incredible technological advances. From Einstein's theory of relativity to the Hubble Space Telescope, from particle accelerators to cosmic microwave background detectors, each tool has revealed another chapter of our cosmic story, and the story is far from over. Right now, the James Webb Space Telescope is looking deeper into space and further back in time than ever before, showing us the first galaxies that formed after the Dark Ages. Future missions will search for signs of life on other worlds. New theories are being developed to understand dark matter and dark energy, which make up 95% of our universe but remain mysterious. What amazes me most about this story is how it connects us all. Every person who has ever lived, every life form on Earth, every planet, every star, we all share the same origin. We are all children of the Big Bang, participants in the same cosmic story that began 13.8 billion years ago. So the next time you look up at the night sky, remember, you're not just observing the universe from the outside. You are the universe observing itself. You are made of the same stuff as the stars, born from the same cosmic processes that created galaxies and planets. This is the magic of cosmology, and this is why I'm passionate about sharing these discoveries with you here at Cosmic Frontiers. Because understanding our cosmic origins doesn't just satisfy our curiosity, it gives us perspective on our place in the grand scheme of things. We're getting closer to our goal of 1,000 subscribers, and each new member of our community is another cosmic explorer joining us on this incredible journey of discovery. Together, we're exploring the frontiers of human knowledge and marveling at the wonders of our universe. What aspect of the universe's origin story fascinates you most? Are you amazed by cosmic inflation, intrigued by the first stars, or moved by the idea that we're made of stardust? Let me know in the comments below. I love hearing your thoughts and questions, and they often inspire ideas for future videos. If you want to continue exploring the mysteries of the universe with us, subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. Suggest topics you'd like us to cover. There are so many cosmic mysteries to explore together. Like this video if it sparked your curiosity about our cosmic origins, and share it with someone who also wonders about the mysteries of the cosmos. In the next video, we'll explore another fascinating enigma of the universe. Until our next cosmic adventure, explorers, keep looking up at the stars and wondering about our place in this extraordinary cosmic story.